You can add quick text to your typing, so some things are easier to write out in full if you think of an acronym. So for example, TNIS, Takapuna Normal Intermediate School, we can make a quick text for that. So what we can do is we come to Tools over here, come down to Preferences, and over here we've got Substitutions, and you can see I've put some stuff in here already. So if when I write, for example, down here Māori, it will put a macron on there for me as well. So let's do this. Let's do TNIS and replace that with click OK. So now when I type in TNIS, it will now make Takapuna Intermediate School, and we'll accept that. So the tools function, preferences, substitutions, and I've just noticed that what I need to do down here with my Māori is make it with a capital M. Click OK. So if I type in down here, it changes it for me, and we get this strange font. So if we just change this back to Century Gothic, we don't get two fonts in the word Māori. So your choice of font is very important, and that's handled the text really well there.